All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm up here running and gunning today. This is something I haven't done in a while. I haven't worn this rig in a while. I got the hat cam on, and I'm just going to do in a quick little first flight just to get it up in the air and see how it looks and if it's nice and stable. I will do a more extensive flight later on. Today was a little messy today. The weather is not the greatest, so it's very cloudy out here, as you can see, and I couldn't really get out and fly today. So I will do something better in another upcoming video. I just wanted to get up in the air for the first time and see what it was like. So now I wanted to correct something. I stated in my unboxing that you have to press and hold the power button. All you need to do is just press and hold the power button, and then it powers on. And the same thing with the remote. Just press and hold to turn on and press and hold to turn off. I have the Autel Sky app open right now. Go ahead and go in, and I'm all connected already. Let's see here. Also, another thing I will do is go over the app in another video. I just wanted to, like I said, get this up in the air and see what it looks like. So as of right now, it looks like I'm in photo mode. So I'm going to go in video mode. Now it is almost 4 o'clock, I think. Let me see, what time is it? It is 4 o'clock, exactly. So the sun is going to be going down shortly. Let me just do some of my checks. I'm going to go in here to the menu. Max altitude, I'll put that around maybe, somewhere around 250, somewhere. Max distance, I'm just going to max that out, no limit. Return to home height. Actually, max altitude, I'm sorry. Max altitude should be, whatever. But, I know better enough, I know better to, stay below 400. So, return to home altitude, I'll put that around 250. I want to make the home point me, confirm. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a compass calibration. I'm going to do that. I'm just going to do a compass calibration. So I'm going to start my compass calibration, and it wants to turn it, and then move it up, and then turn it and rotate, and that's it. Easy peasy. Everything looks good. Haven't done an IMU calibration, but I will do that.
Initializing aircraft attitude. Please take off later.
Now it's saying is attitude mode. So it might be because I'm on this deck here.
Symbol is self-checking. Please take off later.
It's asking me to take off later. So let me put it on the concrete. So go through my safety checks, advanced settings, sensors, everything looks good. Control, have it in Imperial mode. I will program these buttons later. Gimbal mode is stabilized mode. And let's see, camera, everything looks okay. Video format, I'll just keep it where it is right now. And safety, they don't have anything. Oh, battery information, here we go. Like I said, I'll go over this in a future video. And battery temperature, They don't have anything about the battery levels or anything. I mean, I don't know, it's different from the Fly app. So I guess I'm too used to the Fly app, right? I'm gonna do an auto takeoff, see if it'll allow me to take off. And hold it down and slide. All right, there it is. First flight. And as you can see, it's very quiet. Very quiet. It's very stable, and then again, there's no wind here, so there's no wind right now. It's just hovering right there in place. Let's do a quick walk around. All right. And as you can see on the screen record, obstacle avoidance is detecting me. Nice. All right, so I'm going to bring it out to the middle of the yard there. That's cool. It gives you information on the screen of your distance and everything. All right, let's go up. All right, so the image on the screen is excellent, very clear. Let's go down. And like I said, I will do a more testing on this as far as the speed and all that in a different location. Of course, I'll be doing that in an open field. All right, so what I'm going to do is I have it on video, and I'm going to keep it on auto. I guess it's auto. Let's see, do we have, okay, yeah. Just keep it on video, and I guess that stays in auto. And I'm going to record some footage, and I believe it's 4K. Let's see here. Yep, I'm recording 4K 30 frames per second. And that's the only option I have. 4K 30. There's no 24 or anything else like that. In 2.7K, you get 30 frames per second. That's it. In 1080p, it looks like you get 30 and 60 frames per second. So I'm going to record in 4K 30. And there we go.
Start recording.
All right. And you can also go in and adjust the gimbal settings. I'll do that at another time. So what I want to do is take this over. Where's my battery like? I only got 46%. So what I want to do is take it over here to the field. All right, so I got it pushing straight forward, and it's crabbing. I got it pushed straight forward, and you can see it's crabbing to the left there. And it's only going 10 miles per hour, 11 miles per hour. So I got to check what mode I'm in. Yeah, definitely got to check what mode I'm in. I'll do it when I'm over here. Come back over here. Because I definitely got to look for that. So I got to get acclimated to this new app setup here. Let's see if I push forward again. Okay, now it's going straight. Maybe it couldn't fight its way through the wind and it was just pushing to the right a little. All right, so let's head back. And now I'm only going, 10 miles per hour. So I must be in either cine mode or something, because this is extremely slow. So once I stop over here, I'm going to, I see it coming back now. It's creeping along. All right. So let's see what mode I'm in. And let me see if I can find this here. Standard. Okay, there we go. So I can just press that here to the upper left, standard, and visual. Okay, this is ludicrous mode. Just let me know that the obstacle avoidance will be invalid at speeds over 23 miles per hour. So I wonder how fast standard mode goes. It's still crabbing just a little bit to the left. Yeah, still crabbing to the left. That's not me. It says my height is 139 feet. All right, let's come back in ludicrous mode. All right, 25 miles per hour. It's not the fastest, but you know. So I'm at 28%. I was running this battery indoors for a little bit, just going through the menus and stuff. So what I'm going to do is put it back this way. And I'm going to do a return to home and see what it does. All right, let's. I'm going to press the.
Return to home aircraft low battery.
Oh, so it's telling me I got to return.
Is returning home.
Telling me I got to return home anyway. Give me the low battery warning. So it's raising up to the return home height, and it's right over there. All right, so far it looks like it's doing what it's supposed to do. You're right above me. And
Pay attention to the area below when the aircraft is landing.
nice, it talks to you. All right, looks like it's not coming. Let me cancel this.
Hard canceled.
It looks like it's going to land on the furniture. All right. All right, so far it's, looking okay. There's a couple things that I just noticed right off the bat. And also you saw that it was crabbing in smooth mode, and it's not windy out here. There's no wind at all. So even in smooth mode, it should, cut through the wind at least a little bit. And it did crab a little bit in normal mode. So those are a couple of issues right now. I will do this again. Like I said, this is just a initial flight just to start this up see what it looks like. And let me see how much I have. 16%. Let's see real quick if I can take off. See if it'll let me take off. Okay. And let's see what, get out of sports mode and go to standard mode. Let's see what it does with the obstacle avoidance. Just really, nah, it's not letting me.
Critically low. Please control the aircraft to avoid obstacles during landing. The
That thing-
aircraft battery is critical low. Please replace the battery.
Okay. That thing, be aware of that also. You can go in your settings and change your battery warning. However, it looks like this thing lands immediately. It doesn't even give you a warning after you get that warning, critical warning. It starts landing. So just be aware of that. Where can I go? Safety, battery information maybe. Let's see here. Let's go to safety. Battery info. Critically low warning, I have it set to 15%. What I'm gonna do is lower that maybe just to 12% or something like that. And lower this to 20% or close to it. But just be aware, once you hit that critically low battery warning, it will definitely, it will start landing. Doesn't even give you time to react to it. So be aware of that. Yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Like I said, I'm running and gunning today, and I'm going old school right now. So, hope you enjoyed it. All right, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know the next time I post a video. All right, peace.